Let's take a look inside the state licensed commercial facility. Man, we're going to track the lifestyle and the phenotypic expressions of autoflower specimens for the purpose of research and professional documentation. Welcome back. Let's get straight into it. You're tuned into Facility Files, and it's Autoflower versus everybody. In this episode, you will see us officially process 3 new genetic lines, update cultivation protocols, and break down the current process of the pheno hunt. We are also kicking off the official head-to-head comparison, matching up Mango Runts from Mephisto against Neptune, a completely unreleased strain from Autoflower Genetics. Everything in the facility needs to be on rotation. And because of that, you're going to get a closer look at the overall facility layout in this video. Now we are inside the controlled environment dry room. This dedicated space is specifically engineered for a low and slow drying process. The main objective for that area is for seed collection only. The next round of genetic specimens will be collected and immediately rotated into that room. Zavageddon, Tidal Plague, and Burpledemic. In the final days before we initiate processing, we do not water the specimens at all. We allow them to dry out slowly until those fabric pots are light as a feather. This dry down period is gradual, so we don't suddenly stress the angiosperms. The largest specimen here in the middle is Oratagon, and all 3 of these specimens are vibrant purple phenotypes. These genetics are what you call farming genetics. Basically, they're pre-crosses before the final vision is complete. Unfortunately, the feedback has been outstanding, the data is through the roof, and it's possible for all 3 specimens to be upgraded from the farming category. One of the massive club favorites from the lineup is HP, and because it's an absolute staple, the offspring has one of the coolest names in the catalog, Zavageddon. HP is a foundational pillar for us, and we will map out its next major direction down the road. Be sure to head over to Google and search Autoflower Genetics so you can stay ahead of the curve. Now that we're done moving all 3 specimens to the controlled environment, it's time to check on the pheno hunt for the next autoflower creation. To be completely transparent, this batch doesn't look too good. Because of the less than ideal conditions while the facility was undergoing construction, these specimens may have went through some stress that may reflect in the offspring, and we don't want that. Autoflower versus everybody. First up, Mango Runts by Mephisto. I've heard incredible things about this specific line. So to be fair, we've selected Neptune by Autoflower because of the exact opposite. This genetic is in the archives and only known by few. This particular strain has never been grown in the facility. We haven't collected any personal data on the specimen, so we think it's fair to run the best against the unknown. We agreed that it would be completely unfair to match Mephisto against something of ours that is already known to be outstanding. Let's look exactly how we initiate the germination process here in the facility. First, we add liquid oxygen, which is hydrogen peroxide, directly into these small plastic containers. The seed goes directly into that liquid. Then we immediately top it off with purified water. As you can see, we're going to execute the exact same protocol for both lines. completely identical from start to finish. We are going to document every single micro detail and keep you, the viewers, updated. The rules for this versus will be fair as well. It's one single seed versus one single seed. That means there is absolutely zero margin for error. If the genetic line delivers a poor germination, it loses. If it exhibits a high mutation, it could lose. If the single specimen we pull happens to be an underperformer, it's a loss. If these genetic companies are producing high quality genetics, the success percentage should be pretty high. And therefore, you shouldn't have a thing to worry about. If you're curious to know what's happening before the next video, Google Autoflower Genetics and take a look. We have successfully remodeled both sections of the cultivation area. We integrated brand new equipment, cleared out the old outdated gear, and deep cleaned everything so the facility is now dialed in. Here in this facility, we try our best not to handle germinating seeds. So before the root protrudes out the shell, we try to place it in the media. Basically, when we see it open, it's time. We also do not use anything larger than a 3-gallon fabric pot, and the medium of choice is cocoa perlite 70-30 ratio. Now, to clarify any confusion, what you're looking at is a photo period. This is the offspring of genetically modified Miracle Alien cookies, the original triploid from Capulator. Again, this is not version 2, this is offspring from the original. Absolutely amazing. This research was made possible by Smoking Monkey Genetics. Integrating the supplemental wavelengths into our existing fixtures has made a massive difference. The Mars Hydro Ad-Light system has those 4 distinct supplemental spectrums: the deep red, far red, and the deep blue paired with the UV. We can definitely see the difference. To fully understand what happens in the facility, consider joining the Source Club. Visit the link in the description. You see that video right there? Click that too. Peace.